Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to download and install Discord server. First, to download Discord, I go to Google and in the search box I type in Discord download, and here's the link, and you just click on the link to access the Discord. I'm at Discord page, and here there's a link to download the Discord version for Windows, so just click on that. As you can see, I have downloaded the file here called discordsetup.exe. I go to my download folder, and here's the file, and just gonna run it to start the installation. Run the file called discordsetup.exe. Once the install is complete, and it wait for you to log into the Discord if you have a Discord account. If not, then you click on register to create a new account for Discord. Once you create a Discord account and will log in, it will ask you to check your email to verify your account. You go to your email, and there should be an email from Discord. You click on to verify your account, and it will say email verified, and you can continue to your Discord. Now you're inside Discord, you can start creating channel and set up permission. Once you're done and you want to log out, and at the bottom there's a little gear icon, you just click on it. Then there's a logout option which allows you to log out of your current user account. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped for you to install Discord. If you like the video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you next video. Bye!